Test, test, test. 1, 2, 1, 2. How are we doing? Are we doing good? Too much consolidation. Natural gas part 2. What's going on, Alex? Let me know when we are live and when you guys get to see me, and everything is all good. So, yeah, you're back. All right. Sweet. All right, perfect. Thank you again, team. I really do apologize for the inconvenience. I made sure I logged into like my what's it called, little account for my like internet thing, and I was just making sure that everything was okay on my side, and then I just reset the modem and stuff like that. So hopefully that ends up working out. But as of right now, now the MACD is a little bit on the overextended side based off previous patterns. So natural gas is still trying to push up. I still held my position. I didn't see how aggressive it sold off. It looks like it hit like pretty much pre-market lows around $59. So that was pretty sketchy. But now it broke above the EMA line. It's still showing signs of an uptrend. And we're right around this middle VWAP area. Middle VWAP area was a resistance based off previous patterns, and it looks like it just got rejected. So move this on over a little bit. Oh, don't tell me it's lagging again. Everything on my side shows to be green. I'm not too sure if, again, the other time it did show that we were a little laggy, but not anymore. All right. All right, sweet. Thank you again for the update. Let's see if we can get a nice little push up. Might have to just sell it. Let's see, look at that MACD bar. Just watching that very carefully. Especially on /NG. It looks like it still wants to trend up, but who knows, right? This thing, I just don't want to continue to ride this thing down, especially with the MACD overextended and stuff like that. But we've seen it multiple times when natural gas wants to push up or wants to push down. It still rides, right? There we go, MACD confirmation of it selling off. We're pulling back at least. Couldn't really find a clear direction on natural gas. Yeah. Taking a step back and waiting for overall for it to show direction. I like that. There we go. Okay, yeah, so if you're just struggling to identify direction, I would hold back a little bit. Again, you don't want to force a trade, especially when you don't have a clear understanding of kind of like where it's headed. So nothing wrong with just holding back for a little bit, especially if a really nice pocket or margin, presents itself. Then that patience and just overall holding back is going to be worth it, right? So let's just give it a little bit more time and then kind of go from there. So. Made 3% total on UGAS. That's huge. Again, I think just consistently growing your account is something that's like super important and very overlooked by a lot of traders nowadays, especially like those that like try to chase the dollar value. Again, consistency is key, and it's great when you have great green days, but just understand that if you can't continuously grow your account and manage your risk, then long term it probably isn't going to be a sustainable source of income for you, right? I do see your message, Sam. I don't have or see anybody else talking about the echo, so I don't know if it's just on your side. But yeah. All right. Alrighty. Kind of just the waiting game now. Let's get some you gas. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. For the McLaren, we were talking about like custom license plates. I don't know if you guys remember last time, and then one of you brought up the idea of having it as UGAS. We've joked about it before as well, and then I went to go search for it to see if the actual license plate was available, and it was not. So I thought that would have been very funny, but that one was not available, so I had to go with another one. But yeah, for all those that wanted and UGAS to be the license plate, just wasn't available. DGAS was available, but I do much better with UGAS. I thought UGAS would have been like funnier. Influencer genes, true. That's too many letters though. /NG, you can't add what's it called? / to a license plate, not in Arizona. Just natural gas. Guac. True. I'll have to look at a little bit more. I mean, I could always change it. They're very cheap to get custom license plates here in Arizona. They're about like $25 per custom plate. In California, it was much more expensive. Wow, natural gas is not doing well. Yeah, there it goes. I already own the license plate Tech Bud. Yeah, now this is like making me wonder, like, is this, yeah, because it just made overall lows. Um, is natural gas done? Was that just like a 2 day fluke, right? Friday and Monday, and it just pushed up so aggressively. I'm gonna have to look a little bit more into it on if anything changed, especially around this specific time period. Moving on to the following day, I'm gonna have to look into the news just to make sure that I'm aware of like kind of for the remainder of the day. Again, market just opened about 1 hour ago, so not too long ago. We still have hours to make up, like if you're up or if you're down, or to hit your daily goal. Again, don't discourage yourself, don't overcomplicate it. Just understand that we do have time. And yeah, I'm just gonna dedicate a little bit more time to identify kind of like what's been going on and what acted as a catalyst to drive the price up or down, and to see if it still has that potential, right? Overall direction for the day. So just to follow up with it, I thought it was starting to consolidate and start to show signs of an uptrend pattern, but it looks like we're just not there yet. we're right back, and we just made pretty much lows for the day. So now we have this nice little margin, but no direction just yet. So again, it wouldn't make too much sense to try to buy something that's still downtrending without overall confirmation of a reversal. Yeah, but then again, if you look at DGAS and kind of where this is at right now, it's at one of its highest points, and it was a descending pattern though. So is this something that we want to invest in with the possibility that this is going to be the highest point that it hits for the day? So again, that's why I'm just saying like maybe just a little bit more time for us to be able to identify like its overall direction for the day. Maybe if DGAS continues to make higher highs and stuff like that, then so be it. So yeah, because we're still getting rejected. And then on ticker symbol UGAS. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. So natural gas is trying to recover. We'll see how that holds. But let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna reset my whole computer, my whole system here. But I want to thank you guys again so much for your time. Sorry that I had to split this live stream into two different streams. I know that that's an inconvenience. I really do hope that you guys understand it's not something that I planned for. But I'll be sure to reset my computer, and before I go live next on YouTube, then I'll be sure to let you know. So continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. I'll keep you guys up to date with my position. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take